The Islands Gaelic Research Project, Gordon. What is it?
Well, it's a project which is being run by Soillse, based at Soillse, the Inter-University Research Partnership. And in the Islands Gaelic Research Project, we're looking to establish how, if, Gaelic's being transmitted from one generation to another, and to examine the levels of language usage and ability in certain communities in the Western Isles.
And that's being done through a series of surveys?
Yep, there are 3 surveys involved. Okay. So one of which is already well underway, which is a survey that's gone out to all the Scoilteanary in the Western Isles. 25 of them, I believe, and we've had a
So that's the preschools?
That's the preschools, yeah. Those children aged 3 to 5. Okay. So we've had a very good response rate indeed, and we'll be analysing those results soon. Mm-hmm. The second element, which is also underway as we speak, is a community survey. So there are 3 teams working across the Western Isles. Myself and my colleague Katrina McNeil have been down in Eriskay, and we've been going out trying to get all the resident households on the island, Gaelic speakers, English speakers, doesn't matter who they are, get their opinions, find out about their language use patterns.
And which are the other islands involved in that?
We have a 2-person team working in Grimsay, and we have another 2-person team working in Scalpay. So all of these teams are working at the same time, and then later on in the summer we'll be getting together to crunch all the numbers and start writing up the results.
And how have those islands been chosen?
Well, when we looked at the 2011 census reports, those 3 islands had a significant percentage of the population recorded as Gaelic speakers. Mm-hmm. So it's important to go out and find out if that is actually the case, to look at whether those islands have still a significant percentage as Gaelic speakers, because obviously demographic changes over the last 5 years we've found in Eriskay certainly that unfortunately a number of the older people have passed away. So.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And what's the third element?
Third element will be looking at teenagers,
okay.
16 to 18 year olds. So there will be surveys carried out in the 4 high schools in the Western Isles: Castleby, Leoniclich, Soillse Scott and Skolvik-Nechgal. Mm-hmm. So there will be survey work done in September and also focus groups carried out in those schools.
Okay, agus tunda gan Gaelic, how it visas an snopwyd on an Eriskay. Kimmer has in a course of ducht.
Had we corded Gamor. Stocker a shaw a pars the sientnige yen op de geleer. We dolmach an choirsnachen. We brein we deunje a we viegen dus de biach nach hiernos. Han de biach kan gema insnach. Meskige agus farsinjocht je varlan ik hulle dinje. Shen saak deunje vunjes kan jelan deunje haar gloos de stjach. Deunje ik Gaelic voor huis. Deunje haar Gaelic unsken.
So has je voor zo'n brein wie ze hulle dunje. Gaan nou jiedig kan de dunje gewille Gaelic.
Gaan nou liedje. Has een gamas er hulle tai. Een jelan farvel kutschen vorig la nunie. No nieder wel la nunie.
Stokken wie veel in je veilig kin geweldsje zo'n checkie of weer chico massa haar Gaelic. Gaan nou maar zijn naar huis weer koeken.
Gaan nou liedje. Gaan een a fichen we fine macht chico commissars had.
Gaan een torst marks uit de 10 guy.
Gaan spelling be jou no she en maar zijn liedje. Gaan een fine machen er in de hutje kan a Gaelic a leeg no skrieg ge karst. Has een jirig in de barrel en agus na clach gien. Fysieke gaine macht met de ritme machine.
Well, good my hates leen jullie.
More time.
Thank.